This is Danielsson from Wolfire Games, here today to talk about some exciting new Overgrowth news. As of today, Overgrowth is an open source project, and in this video I'll be explaining exactly what that means. We began work on Overgrowth all the way back in 2008. It is our longest running project by far, and releasing it as an open source game is something that we have all been very excited to do for quite some time. Seeing what our community has been able to create in the game up to this point has been incredible, and with the source code now available for everyone, we can't wait to see what this new era of community content will bring. Now, what does open sourcing Overgrowth actually mean? Well, to start off, Overgrowth's assets such as textures, models and audio will not be released free, meaning that you'll still have to own the game to play and mod it. What it does mean, however, is that everyone will have full and free access to all our source code, including the engine, project files, scripts and shaders. We'll be releasing it under the Apache 2.0 license, which allows you to do whatever you want with the code, including relicensing and selling it, with very few obligations. We tried to keep this easy, so to run Overgrowth using the open source code, you'll need to download it, tell the project where your Overgrowth install folder is located, compile it, and play. This isn't the next big engine. We don't intend to compete with any other great open source game engines like Godot, which is a great option if you're looking for a general purpose game engine. But if you're interested in looking at what shipped game code can look like, want to look at specific code like the procedural animation system, or if you're an Overgrowth modder who wants to make an involved total conversion mod, then this is for you. A few people from the Wolfire community and the Luguru OSS project have come together to help maintain the Overgrowth open source Git repository in their free time. So if you want to fix something in the code or add a new feature, submit your changes and these people will consider your code for inclusion in the official repository. We'd like to take a second to give our thanks to these volunteers. The open source project would not be possible without them. There is a link in the description to instructions for how to compile and run it on Windows, Mac and Linux. There's also a link to a video showing the process on Windows. If you run into any issues, ask for help on the project's GitHub discussion page or leave a comment down below. Also, as part of the open source update, Overgrowth has received a permanent 30% price drop to allow even more people to access the game and explore the code. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to learn about the development process of Overgrowth, there's a playlist on your screen right now. Or you can check out our other game, Receiver 2.